respected Principal Ma'am, Shrimati Ramadevi R, Chief Guest of today's program, Sub-Inspector of Police, Shri Ashraf Hasi in Kerala Police, our future leaders, the members of the Student Council, teachers and parents. A very warm welcome to all of you. Today we all have gathered here for the investiture ceremony 2021. To begin any program, we should take the blessings of the Almighty. As it has rightly been said, a day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. So let us enhance our power with the blessings of the Almighty and Goddess Saraswati. So I request Neha Narayanan of class 12C to start the prayer.
असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना हमारे ध्यान में आओ प्रभु आँखों में बस जाओ अंधेरे दिल में आकर के परम ज्योति जगा देना बहा दो ज्ञान की गंगा दिलों में प्रेम का सागर हमें आपस में मिलजुल कर प्रभु रहना सिखा देना हमारा धर्म हो सेवा हमारा कर्म हो सेवा सदा ईमान हो सेवा व सेवक जन बना देना वतन के वास्ते जीना वतन के वास्ते मरना वतन पर जान फिदा करना प्रभु हमको सिखा देना दया कर दान विद्या का हमें परमात्मा देना दया करना हमारी आत्मा में शुद्धता देना सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्वी नावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै शांति शांति शांति
India is a country of diverse cultures, traditions, and religions, where we all stand united under the same umbrella of country called India. So, take a pledge to maintain this diversity and this harmony. I would like to invite Devbarta Biswas and Tamanna Madhwan of class 5 to take the pledge.
India is my country.
India is my country.
All my Indians are brothers and sisters.
All Indians are my brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich
I am proud of its
rich and varied heritage.
Rich and varied heritage.
I shall always strive to be worthy of it.
I shall always strive to be worthy of it.
I shall give respect to my parents,
I shall give respect to my parents,
teachers,
teachers,
and all elders,
and all elders,
and treat everyone with courtesy.
and treat everyone with courtesy.
To my country
To my country
and to my people,
and to my people,
I pledge my devotion.
I pledge my devotion.
In their well-being
In their well-being
and prosperity alone
and prosperity alone
lies my happiness.
lies my happiness.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
All the members of this meeting are having a great opportunity to have the honor of the presence of a great person from our police department. Shri Ashraf Asi, Sub-Inspector of Police in Motor Transport Wing of Kochi City Police, has been magnanimous enough to accept the invitation to be the chief guest on the occasion of investiture ceremony of Kendriya Vidyalaya INS Dronacharya Mundamveli Kochi today. So I request our Honorable Principal in charge, Shrimati Ramadevi R, to kindly place on record a formal welcome to Sir. Madam, please.
Respected Ashraf sir, distinguished parents, teachers, and my dear students. Very good morning to all of you. Every year we celebrate Invest Teacher ceremony. This is the mark of the honor given to the student member council, members of the student council, who are going to hold lot of responsibilities on your shoulder. All of you are aware that our school is having more than 1,300 students. Out of that, only few were selected be the members of our student council. Each one of you is very important to your family, to the school, as well as to the society. So when we discharge our duties in a very sincere and responsible manner, then only 100% perfection we can expect for any institution to which you are attached. Our school is functioning in a very standard manner, and you people are there to bring laurels to the school. So all of you, when hold the responsibility, you know everyone is having a guru. Maybe your parents, maybe your teacher. All works are done in a pre-planned manner, as well as under the guidance of a respected personality or many personalities. And it is a duty as students to obey your parents, teachers, and all other elders. So when I talk about this regarding the relation between the elders or the guide and the students, I remember a story. that during kite flying festivals, almost in the month of January, 14th of January, usually we are conducting as kite flying festival. So during the day, you can see all the people come out, fly the kite. By seeing this, a father with his son got excited. They also want to involve in the function. Accordingly, the son said, I want to fly the kite. It must be purchased. Suddenly, he went to the nearby shop and purchased one for him. Along with that, you can see there is a roller of thread. Then father attached the thread to the kite, and by loosening the thread, the kite was going to the higher and higher altitude. By seeing this, both were very happy along with their friends and neighbors. So the child was enjoying by seeing the kite flying at greater height. Son asked permission to cut the thread from the roller. Father said, no, do not cut the thread. Son was getting annoyed. He says, no, now only it is flying only this much height. If you are cutting the thread, it will be going to higher and higher altitude and it will be so fantastic to see. Father said, no. Whatever feeling you are having, that is wrong. What you expect, just opposite of that will happen. Without listening to father, son cut the thread. And to his surprise, instead of going to the heights, the kite was coming down and finally fall on a terrace of an unknown building. And he was very sad. Son asked him, what is the reason for kite to come down? Then father related this incident with the relation between guru or guide or parents or teacher, whatever you want, you can call, with the students. See, children, you are under the guidance of parents as well as teachers. When they say something not to do, lot of do's and don'ts are there in your life now. You may not like it. But these don'ts are not for means getting you back. These don'ts are for supporting you. Remember, whenever you do or take any responsibility, there are certain rules and regulations. Follow it. Within the limit, you will be able to discharge the duties in a very sincere manner. Dear children, today with us is Sri Ashraf AM, who is a Sub-Inspector of Police, Motor Transport Wing, Kochi City Police. Sir, we are very glad to welcome you as the chief guest of today's function. There are school captain leader, deputy leader, etc. So all have been selected in a meticulous manner, and we are sure that they will be discharging their duties in a well-to-do manner. So I request Anita madam to welcome sir by giving a bouquet. Thank you, sir. Thank you all once again. At the same time, all the parents, teachers, and students are also being welcomed towards this function. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for welcoming the chief guest on the occasion. As you all know that we have gathered today here in this virtual mode of meeting to pin up the badges and to pass on the duties and responsibilities of the Vidyalaya to the young torchbearers, that is you children, students. Leadership is about vision and responsibility, not power. And you are going to do it when you are going to take an oath. So to take an oath is like taking a road to one's growth, as it allows you to welcome the challenges, look for the opportunities in every situation to learn and grow with wisdom. So I request the Honorable Chief Guest on the occasion, Sub-Inspector of Police, Shri A.M. Ashraf Aziz sir, kindly give the oath to the children. Sir, you and children are requested to take the oath.
Good morning, everybody.
I, Mitali Kishore, school captain girl.
I, S. Kailas Pradhan, school captain boy.
I, Tamanna Madhavan, school captain girl primary.
I, Devabruta Bishwa, school captain boy primary.
I, Aarti Kepai, vice captain girl.
Harshankar M, school vice captain boy.
Swear that we will take part in all Vidyalaya activities, respecting the rules and regulations, and desirous to participate in them. In the true spirit of the participation, for the honor and glory of our Vidyalaya. I feel proud to be a part of this Vidyalaya, and it is my ardent duty to keep the banner of my school high. My responsibilities include paying respect to my teachers, helping juniors, discriminate between right and wrong, maintain decorum and cleanliness within the school campus. I promise to abide by the rule and regulations of the school, which I am an integral part. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all the school pupil leaders to take the oath. Now, I would like to request the parents of these school pupil leader, who are also the members of the student council of KVINS Dronacharya for the session 2021-22, to kindly pin up the badges and share the joy of making your child a leader of the school. So I request the parents to pin up the badges. The members of the school student council are School Captain Girl Mitali Kishore of 12th C, School Captain Boy S. Kailash Nathan of 12th B, Primary Pupil Leader Boy Debbarta Bishwas of 5th C, Primary Pupil Leader Girl Tamanna Madhavan of 5th A, School Vice Captain Boy Harishankar M of class 11th A, School Vice Captain Girl Aarti Pai of class 11th B, CCA Captain Boy Devraj S. Lal 12th C, CCA Captain Girl Neha Narayanan 12th C, Discipline Captain Boy Steve Daniel AM from class 12th B, Discipline Captain Girl KK Shruti from class 12th A, Swachhta Captain Boy Pranab P. Shinoy 12th A, Swachhta Captain Girl Nandana Rajesh from 12th A. Now, some more designations are there. Literary Captain Boy Vaishnav BK from 12th B, Literary Captain Girl Kirtana Rao from 12th B, Sports Captain Boy Saurav Khalai from 12th A, and Sports Captain Girl Nikita Idamaria from 12th B. So these are the children who are inducted into the Student Council of Kendriya Vidyalaya INS Dronacharya Mundamveli Kochi for the session 2021-2022. Congratulations to all the office bearers and also to the parents with whose motivation the children were able to overcome this pandemic time by shouldering various responsibilities given to your children and other children time to time to make our country feel proud, to make our Vidyalaya feel proud of their achievements. And thank you to the parents who have been so motivating, that their support and constant involvement in the academy as well as other activities and in other endeavors, that their children are able to excel. And that is why they are here on this podium to be the leaders of our Vidyalaya. So congratulations to everyone. So I request anyone if you can take a photo, because parents are also visible. So, sir, these are the children who have shouldered the responsibility, and we are looking forward that you will strive hard to accept the challenges and support the school and the Vidyalaya and your friends who are studying in classes 1 to 12 to participate in various activities. Now moving on with the further course of action. As you know, that great leaders are the people who have the capacity to translate vision into reality, be it defense forces, paramilitary forces, or our own police, which is always ready to help support us around the corner 24/7. And during this COVID-19 pandemic, we appreciate the efforts and the support given by Kerala Police to the people in general. They have been on the forefront in doing each and every duty assigned to them. And today we are proud that we have a guest who is himself an officer in the Kerala Police, Shri A.M. Ashraf Asi, Sub-Inspector of Police in the Motor Vehicle Department of Kochi Corporation. So I request Sir to kindly give your valuable words and your address to our leaders and the teachers and the other students of the Vidyalaya. Sir, please.
Good morning, everybody. ബഹുമാനപ്പെട്ട പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ രമ മാഡം, മറ്റു അധ്യാപകരെ, ഈ വിദ്യാലയത്തിലെ മറ്റു അധ്യാപകേതര പ്രവർത്തകരെ, സ്നേഹം നിറഞ്ഞ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ, രക്ഷിതാക്കളെ, നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഈ പരിപാടി സംഘടിപ്പിച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ മക്കൾ ലീഡർഷിപ്പിലേക്ക് വന്നിരിക്കുന്ന വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളെ അതിന്റെ ഉത്തരവാദിത്തങ്ങൾ ഏൽപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ഉള്ള ചടങ്ങ് ഏൽപ്പിച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണ്. അവർ ഓരോരുത്തരും അവരുടെ ഉത്തരവാദിത്തങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റെടുത്തുകൊണ്ട് നടത്താൻ ഉള്ള മനസ്സും ആരോഗ്യവും സർവശക്തനായ ഈശ്വരൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് തരട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ ഞാൻ തുടങ്ങുന്നു. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ നിങ്ങളെ ഓരോരുത്തരെയും ഈ ഉത്തരവാദിത്തങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റെടുക്കുമ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾ അതിൻ്റെതായ കർത്തവ്യബോധത്തോടുകൂടി ഉത്തരവാദിത്വ ബോധത്തോടുകൂടി പെരുമാറാനായിട്ട് ഓരോരുത്തരും ശ്രമിക്കേണ്ടതാണ്. ക്ലാസ് ലീഡറായാലും സ്കൂൾ ലീഡറായാലും നിങ്ങളുടെ ശ്രദ്ധയിൽ വരുന്നതായ കാര്യങ്ങളെല്ലാം നിങ്ങളുടെ സഹപ്രവർത്തകരെയെല്ലാം നല്ല രൂപത്തിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുവരിക, നല്ല വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ തലത്തിലേക്ക് ആക്കി തീർക്കുക, സ്കൂളിന്റെ അന്തരീക്ഷം നല്ല രൂപത്തിലേക്ക് ആക്കി തീർക്കുക. എന്തെങ്കിലും രൂപത്തിലുള്ളതായ മോശപ്രവൃത്തികളെ നിങ്ങൾ സഹപാഠികളിൽ നിന്നുണ്ടാകുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അതിനെയെല്ലാം നല്ല രൂപത്തിലേക്ക് ആക്കി തീർക്കുവാൻ വേണ്ടി അധ്യാപകരോട് ഒത്തൊരുമിച്ച് നിന്നുകൊണ്ട് പ്രവർത്തിച്ചിട്ട് നല്ല ഒരു വിദ്യാലയ അന്തരീക്ഷവും നല്ല ഒരു വിദ്യാഭ്യാസ സമൂഹത്തെയും നല്ല ഒരു സമൂഹത്തെയും സൃഷ്ടിക്കാനായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഓരോരുത്തരും ബാധ്യസ്ഥരാണ്. നമ്മൾ ഈ വിദ്യാലയത്തിൽ നാളത്തെ ഭാവി വാഗ്ദാനങ്ങളായ വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളായ നിങ്ങളിൽ ഓരോരുത്തരിലും നല്ല പ്രവൃത്തികൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കി തീർത്താൽ സമൂഹം നന്നാവും. ആയതോടുകൂടി തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ രാജ്യം നന്നാവും. സമാധാനപരമായ ഒരു അന്തരീക്ഷത്തിൽ നമുക്ക് ജീവിക്കാനായിട്ടുള്ള സാഹചര്യങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കി തീർക്കും. നിങ്ങളെപ്പോഴും നമ്മളെ അധ്യാപകരെ, രക്ഷിതാക്കളെ എല്ലാവരെയും കീഴിൽ ജീവിക്കുന്ന ഒരു മക്കളായി തീരാനായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ വയ്ക്കണം. അതായത് ഒരു ചരടിൽ വലിക്കുന്ന പട്ടത്തെ പോലെ നമ്മൾ പ്രവർത്തിക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ആ ചരട് പൊട്ടിക്കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ നിയന്ത്രണമില്ലാതായി തീരും. ആയതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ അധ്യാപകരുടെ നിയന്ത്രണത്തിൽ നിങ്ങൾ വരാൻ ശ്രമിക്കണം. നിങ്ങളെ രക്ഷിതാക്കളുടെ കീഴിൽ നിങ്ങൾ വളരാനായിട്ട് ശ്രമിക്കണം. മാത്രമല്ല ഈശ്വരവിശ്വാസ ഉള്ളവരാണെങ്കിൽ തന്നെ നമ്മളെ എല്ലാം കാണാനും കേൾക്കാനും കഴിവുള്ളതായ ഒരു ശക്തി, പ്രപഞ്ച ശക്തി, ദൈവിക ശക്തി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പ്രപഞ്ചത്തിന്റെ ശക്തി അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സമൂഹത്തിന്റെ ശക്തി ആയതിനെ പേടിച്ചുകൊണ്ട് ആയതിന്റെ കൺട്രോളിൽ വളരുവാനായിട്ടുള്ള മനസ്ഥിതി നിങ്ങളിൽ ഓരോരുത്തരിലും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. ഒരുപക്ഷെ നിങ്ങളെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ നിയന്ത്രിക്കാൻ അധ്യാപകരുണ്ടാവും, വീട്ടിൽ നിയന്ത്രിക്കാൻ രക്ഷകർത്താക്കളുണ്ടാവും. ഇവരൊന്നുമില്ല എന്നുള്ള തോന്നലിൽ നമുക്ക് പലതും ചെയ്ത് തെറ്റുകുറ്റങ്ങൾ കണ്ടാൽ ആരും കാണുന്നില്ല എന്നുള്ള വിചാരം നിങ്ങളിൽ വരരുത്. നമ്മളുടെ വിശ്വാസം അനുസരിച്ചിട്ട് ദൈവമെന്നോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പ്രപഞ്ചത്തിന്റെ ശക്തിയെന്നോ കിഴക്ക് സൂര്യൻ ഉദിക്കുകയും പടിഞ്ഞാറ് അസ്തമിക്കുകയും ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ അത് പ്രപഞ്ചത്തിന്റെ ഒരു ശക്തിയാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഉദ്ദേശിക്കാത്ത പോലെ കാർമേഘങ്ങളും തിരമാലകളും അടിച്ചു കയറി നമുക്ക് ദുരന്തങ്ങൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്ന ഒരു ശക്തി ഉണ്ടെന്നോ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നവരാണെങ്കിലോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നമ്മുടെ സമൂഹത്തിലുള്ളവരെ പേടിക്കുന്ന ഒരു ശക്തി ഉണ്ടെന്നോ ചിന്താഗതി നിങ്ങളിൽ ഓരോരുത്തരിലും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കണം. മാത്രമല്ല നമ്മുടെ പഠനകാര്യങ്ങൾ സ്കൂൾ തലങ്ങളിൽ വളരെയധികം ബുദ്ധിമുട്ട് അനുഭവിക്കുന്ന ഒരു കേസാണ്, ഒരു സംഭവമാണ് മൊബൈലിലൂടെയുള്ളതായ ഉപയോഗങ്ങളും ദുരുപയോഗങ്ങളും. മാത്രമല്ല ലഹരി മരുന്നുകളടക്കം വിദ്യാർത്ഥികളിൽ പ്രചരിപ്പിക്കുന്ന ഒരു കാലത്തിലേക്ക് അതുണ്ടാക്കുന്നവർ, അതിൽ നിന്ന് ലാഭം നേടുന്നവർ ശ്രമിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ആയതിൽ നിന്നെല്ലാം മുക്തരായി തീരുവാനായിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഓരോരുത്തരും കൂട്ടായിട്ട് ശ്രമിക്കണം. നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യുവാനും നല്ലത് പ്രവർത്തിക്കുവാനും നമ്മൾക്ക് സർവശക്തനായ ഈശ്വരൻ ആയുസ്സും ആരോഗ്യം തരുവാനായിട്ട് ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഓരോരുത്തരും പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുകയാണ്. ഇനിയും നല്ല കാര്യങ്ങൾ ചെയ്യട്ടെ. ഈ ഒരു അവസരത്തിൽ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഈ ഒരു പരിപാടിയിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കുവാനായിട്ട് എനിക്ക് വേദി ഒരുക്കി തന്ന ഈ സ്കൂളിലെ എല്ലാ തലങ്ങളിലും പെട്ട പ്രവർത്തകരോട് ഞാൻ നന്ദി പറയുന്നു. സ്നേഹത്തോടു കൂടി നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Thank you so much, sir, for your valuable words. And I hope the children who have understood the value that we have to incorporate in our mind and our body to be a good citizen and a smartened citizen of our country, of our state and our society. Because such people are there to influence us. As leadership is not about titles, positions or flowcharts. It's about one's life influencing other. And we have a person like you, sir, to influence these young torchbearers, these young leaders who are going to be the smartened citizens of the country and state. Thank you so much, sir, for your words of wisdom. Now, I would like to request Shrimati Anita Sharma, PGT Biology, and also CCA in charge, to kindly place on record a formal vote of thanks. Madam, please.
Thank you, Rupma ma'am, respected Madam Principal, the chief guest of the day, Sir Ashraf Assi sir, who is the SI of the Motor Vehicle Department of the Cochin Corporation, all my beloved children who are the main attraction of the day, being selected as the members of the Student Council. I am privileged to say that I have the opportunity to extend my gratitude to sir who have been here, a person who spoke very highly about values. And the most important thing, children, you should understand what sir has put in a nutshell is self-discipline. If a nation want to progress, if an individual want to progress, if a society want to develop, self-discipline is very important. You should show your discipline not when somebody monitors you, when somebody is not there to monitor you. That was a point which Sir was emphasizing on, and he was also talking about the present enigma that is happening in the society, particularly in case of use of drugs and illegal use of these technological means like mobile phones. He said, as torch bearers of the school, you should say no and even help others to use it in the right sense. So thank you so much, sir, for your valuable suggestions, your valuable information, your valuable advice to our children. And I hope our children will take this into consideration and see that our Vidyalaya remains the best in terms of academics and other activities. Thank you to Madam Principal for gracing the occasion. Thank you to all the parents who have taken their time off from their busy schedule and honoring their children and be a part of this wonderful journey of ours. Thanks to all the teachers who have spent time in joining for this program. And thanks once again to Madam Rupma, who has been my support and my pillar for carrying out all the CCA activities in the Vidyalaya. Thank you, one and all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Anita ma'am. So our formal function for investiture ceremony 2021 and 2022 is over, and we have one information from Anita madam that madam, I think it's better that you should say.
Yeah, ma'am. One of our schoolmate, your schoolmate, Miss Ibia Anthony of class 12A, she lost her father yesterday evening by around 6:45. So we take this opportunity, we take this platform to stand and pray in silence for about 1 minute in honor as a mark of respect and homage to the departed soul.
On behalf of the principal, teachers, staff, and students of our Vidyalaya, all our prayers are with the family of that child who has lost her father yesterday. So we pray to Almighty to give peace to the departed soul and strength to the bereaved family. So with this note, we are winding up today's program. Thank you, everyone.